God is looking for. Somebody that will come willingly, afika phole inhliziyo yakhe kuJehova. You wept to the Lord. When last did you wept to the Lord? What did you khala? Thanda ukhala. What did you thanda ukhala? Because in Nyembezi, you know that in Nyembezi is a prize. In Nyembezi is a prize. Tears are a prize novel. And if you can't pop tears in what you need, you don't deserve it. You don't deserve it. But something that you can cry and ask the Lord to give it to you. And then the more you cry unto the Lord will show you the texture and the posture of your heart. Uzokhombisa inhliziyo yakho ukuthi ume kanjani. Then the time akhombisa inhliziyo yakho ukuthi ume kanjani. So ushintsha ukuthandaza kwakho. You are praying according to the will of God. You are no longer praying selfishly. Okusho ukuthi awusazifuneli wena okwakho wedwa, but sofuna into manje ezoba ngeyobani, ezoba ngeyethu. Sofuna into ezoba ngeyethu, awusafuna into yakho wedwa. You are no longer praying or crying to God selfishly, but you are praying now with the heart that is because when you cry, God is able to enter into your heart. God is able to enter.